Welcome to this detailed tutorial on setting up a frequently asked questions section on your WordPress website. In this guide, we will walk through every step to help you create a helpful FAQ page for your visitors. Begin by navigating to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will see the login option. Selecting the login will initiate the process of accessing your website's backend. After clicking the login option, the next step is to choose the method of logging in. In this tutorial, you are encouraged to use the Continue with Google option, which simplifies the authentication process by using your Google account credentials. Once you click on the Continue with Google button, you will be prompted to select your preferred Google account from the list that appears. Choosing the appropriate account will log you into your WordPress dashboard seamlessly. Once you have successfully logged in, your next destination is the Pages section of your website. From the dashboard, look for the Pages area where you will manage all the content pages that comprise your website. When you are in the Pages section, notice that you have options to edit current pages or add new ones. For the purpose of setting up your FAQ section, proceed by adding a new page. Upon selecting the option to add a new page, you will be presented with a blank page interface where you can begin crafting your FAQ section. The first thing you should do in this new interface is to give your page a title that clearly represents its content. It is recommended to title the page Frequently Asked Questions, as this not only informs your visitors of the purpose of the page, but also aids in navigation and search engine indexing. After entering the title, it is time to design and structure the content within the page. WordPress provides a block editor that lets you add various types of content blocks. In this context, you can use blocks such as details or paragraphs, where you input the questions and answers your visitors might be seeking. These blocks allow for a clean and organized display, making the content easier to manage and visually appealing to your audience. Once you have finished adding all the necessary blocks and are satisfied with the layout and content of your FAQ section, review your page to ensure that all information is correctly presented and easy to read. When you are confident with the content and its organization, proceed by publishing the page to make it available to the public. Simply click on the Publish button and your FAQ section will go live on your website. This step-by-step process leverages the intuitive design of WordPress, allowing even beginners to create a dedicated FAQ page quickly. By following these instructions, you ensure that your website visitors can easily find answers to common questions, ultimately enhancing their experience. Enjoy the benefits of an improved website interface that is more navigable for your audience, and continue exploring other useful features offered by WordPress for more engaged and informed visitors.